First, I'm going to use the concealer, and the concealer I'm using is from Krylon 5S45. And I'm just going to use it all over my eyelid. Blend it in. And then I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and then take the color Reflection from Urban Decay and then just deposit it on the corner of my eyes. Just want to make sure it is set. I'm not going to set my concealer with the translucent powder because I want the eyeshadow stick to my eyelids. I'm just taking a clean brush. I'm going to go in a circular motion. I did not put any eyeshadow on my clean brush. And just do it like that. Again, taking more of the same color Reflection. If you guys are noticing, I'm taking it from here to here because I want that smoked out eye. We're not doing smoky eye, but I just want it a little outer than it normally should be. Again, using the same blending brush, the clean one, and then just taking it a little down, dots, and then just doing it on the corner of my eyes, just depositing it in the crease too. Soft, just like that. And I'm going to take the color Chessboard and going it in the corner of my eyes to create a depth. You can bring in the color to the crease because then the eye will look bigger. So if you can see what I mean between this and this. Again, doing the same. I'm using very minimal color on my brush because Urban Decay is very pigmented, and we just want to put very little on the brush bristles and let those little eyeshadow work our way in. So you see, they look perfectly blended, no harsh line. Now I'm going to use my finger, my index finger, and I'm taking the color of Flesh and then just doing it in the inner corner of my eye. just depositing it. A flat brush. It's very thick. And I'm going to take highlighter, Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter, and I'm gonna use the crushed pearls in the inner corner of my eye. I'm not going to use falsies today, so I'm just going to curl my lashes. Absolute Lashes eye mascara. That's the name of it actually. That's the one coat, and I normally like to do 2 coats, and the other one I'm going to use is Laura Geller's eye mascara, and the mascara name called Glam Lash. So this one will give me a volume, and I really like this one is because, you know, the brush is very tiny, comparable, like I like less brush bristles, less brush bristles and stuff, but it's just my personal preference. Lower lash line. The liquid shine. So here is the complete look. I really hope you enjoyed the eye tutorial, and if you guys have any other more questions and if you want me to do any other look, please go ahead and comment below, and I will definitely try my best to do the tutorial. And you guys have a great day. Please be safe, stay home. Thank you. Bye bye.